Hello.
Hey, Supervisor Barney.
How you doing, sir?
Hi.
Hi, good, how are you?
We had a situation where we had a person disrupted our meeting. I issued a warning.
Okay.
And upon the second incident, asked her to leave. She refused to leave. No physical altercation or anything like that occurred. Our security officer here walked over, asked her to please leave. She refused several times. So we want her out. Now, you know, she's got some friends here that are refusing to leave too. We're done with our meeting. And it's time for people to go.
Okay, where's
This is her here. Not sure what name she's going by tonight. She likes Jane Public, Michelle Allen.
okay. You leaving, ma'am?
Yeah, I was told I had to wait because the police were being
Nobody
called
told
on
you
me.
you had
Okay,
to wait.
go, alright, so you have friends with you too? Who's your
Yeah.
friends, you guys? Okay, alright, well, let's just have you guys
He
exit.
told me I had to leave a public meeting, and then he said he called the cops, so I was waiting for the police to come so I would not be physically removed.
Shut. I got you, so,
Because I'm allowed to speak at a public meeting.
okay.
Absolutely. Are you with her, man?
Yes, thank you. Public resources.
So,
We will
You
be
want her
trying-
if we,
not
Can I
back?
get the,
yeah, if I want to have her arrested, can I do that?
No, you cannot.
Oh,
yeah.
Actually, it's obstructing governmental administration. This has been going on for an extended period of time, like 2.5 years. So
Okay,
that's,
so, okay,
that's
so
where we're at.
Alright.
I've talked to Don Hilton about this.
Do you,
already.
have your ID on you?
I do, and I don't have to provide it. It's a Fourth
Bingo.
Amendment right.
No, you are being investigated, so yes, you do
For
have to
what
identify
crime
yourself.
am I being committed?
Okay,
Just
so
so
if we're,
right here.
if we're talking
wanna take a
about
look.
Governmental
Yeah.
obstruction?
OGA,
Because I spoke out at a public meeting?
I'm not here to argue about the reasons why you're being charged with that, so we're gonna investigate it.
Okay.
And so for that,
Well,
we're
what
gonna need your
crime am I
identification.
being suspected
You don't
of?
have to commit a crime to be investigated, right?
In order to provide my ID,
You have to be investigated.
Yes, you have to,
You have to be
have a crime that
investigated.
you're
Nope, you have
investigating.
to be investigated. Doesn't have to be a
I'm
crime.
not providing my ID.
You have to.
I don't.
You will provide your ID,
Or what?
or you're gonna be placed in custody
For what?
for OGA.
Which
You'll have a
is-
second charge for that.
Okay, I would suggest you not do this and you call a supervisor.
I would love to call my supervisor.
I would
Why
love
don't you go
that.
ahead and get Pretori on the phone?
I already have a couple attorneys on the phone as well.
That's fine.
And because I spoke out at a public meeting, you're trying to arrest me for,
Failing to provide your
can I see
identification.
what? No. What I'm being
This is town
charged for.
property.
No, you're not being charged with anything yet.
Well, you
We're
have to.
investigating.
If I don't provide my ID,
I
have
understand
to-
what you just said to me, that you said that you had to be given a charge to provide your identification. I'm telling you that's wrong.
Okay, I disagree.
All you need is, it's not about disagreement.
Okay.
That's the facts.
I know my rights.
Hold on one
You
second.
obviously don't.
Deputy Greger would like to speak with you.
No,
Okay,
she wants a supervisor, so.
Actually, we have a lady here that would love to speak with you. Hold on one second.
no, I'm requesting a supervisor be present.
Preacher, are you able to come down here?
What?
Thank you.
What am I being charged with?
You are not being charged with anything. You are being investigated. You're refusing to provide
For-
identification.
For
can run
what
the-
am I being
I'm
investigated
I'm sorry,
for?
did you not just say?
Can I see,
governmental-
can I see what he's trying to charge me for?
Yeah, so what's going on is a long, drawn-out interruption that's gone on over about 2.5 years, okay?
For
Every
requesting public
meeting,
documents, which is FOIA and
Every-
open meeting law.
every meeting, every month. Well, there was a couple that she didn't, she was actually good a couple times. But if you speak out during a public meeting, you get a warning. And if you speak out again, we can ask you to to remove yourself. And that's what we did tonight. We're very polite, there's no physical, nothing. She, Herb didn't grab onto her, nothing like that.
He did put his arm on me. He most certainly did.
Mm-hmm.
I put my hand on it.
He did, put his hand on me.
I didn't grab it.
So, at any
I know.
rate, I've talked to Don about this a while back, one night when she pushed her way into my office
I have
and
it recorded.
yelled out,
I recorded it.
It's all recorded.
yelled out that she was a member of the press when Randy Pellis.
I am a member of the press.
Conversation with me.
Most
Talked to
certainly.
Don the next day, explained the whole thing, and he just said, document it, follow the.
I am a member of the press.
So, at any
Irrelevant.
rate,
It's not irrelevant. That's
Not to
open
me.
government and freedom
It's
of
not to
information
me, because
law.
right now you're committing a violation with me.
Can I see what he's trying to
No, I'm
charge
asking
me?
you
This
for
is-
your identification.
this is
I
our
don't
rules
have
of
to
decorum.
provide it unless I'm being
Investigated.
reasonably-
Say it with me.
You may-
Investigated.
No, it's not just investigation.
Yes, it is. It's
No, ma'am, it's
investigation.
not.
Yes, it is.
Okay. we'll
100%
debate that-
it
We'll
is.
debate that in court then.
That's fine, but you're still
Okay.
gonna have to provide your documentation because you're gonna be arrested for it.
Okay.
So
For
that's,
what am I being,
I'm not gonna keep saying the same
can
thing
I
over and over
please
again.
see the statute that he's trying to quote to me? Can I please see the statute he's quoting to me? The document that he's handing me,
I don't
that
even
he's
know what I
quoting
want.
to me, can I please see that?
That's gonna be separate from what I'm charging
Can
you
I
with.
please see what he is?
Did you see him going in there trying to get it?
Okay, that's all I'm asking.
Okay, but I'm telling you, now you're gonna have two different charges for it.
You can charge me with whatever you think you should.
Okay?
Okay.
This is for her, you're making one too?
Yep, you guys can get a copy. Want a staple?
All set.
So these are local policies. These are local rules of decorum, which are not a statute. These are not a legal
Okay.
statute.
I
These
don't
are-
think he said that this was a statute. He's telling
You
me,
can't-
he's telling me the statute.
I'm telling
that-
you, this is not a legal statute.
I'm
This is a
telling
local
you,
policy.
he's not reading what he's telling me from those papers. These are just other documents he had in his hand when
What
he was
is the
explaining.
what is the legal statute for this? This is a local policy. This
You're
is
looking
Town of New
for-
Haven Rules of Decorum.
You're looking for the statute of obstructing governmental administration.
Whatever whatever he's accusing me of, I would like to see that statute.
It's pretty,
The
pretty-
authority falls within the town board. We have the authority to make local laws.
Yeah, I'm not-
We made one
This
earlier
is
this
not a
year.
local law,
That's
this is
it.
policy.
She
I'm not
violated it.
questioning that.
We're asking you to do it.
I'm not questioning it, to
This
be
is
honest
a
with you.
policy.
So, listen, you
Not
said
a
you know
law.
your rights, so I mean,
This is a policy.
that has nothing to do with what I'm going to be arresting you
I'm
for.
asking for the statute of what,
I
you're
don't
saying
have
it's
the
obstruction of
statute.
justice,
You know
correct?
what? You got your phone? You got your phone?
Can I ask, can you,
I'm gonna have you look it up, because I don't have it on me.
what statute am I being arrested for?
Obstructing
Obstructing
Governmental
Okay.
administration.
Can I see that statute?
Yes, do you wanna pull up your phone?
I would rather not. I think
Well,
that you
then there you go.
are supposed to provide that.
No, I don't have a law book in my back pocket.
Do you have a phone?
I do, but I don't use it for work use, okay? Because then it gets subpoenaed, and I don't want that,
Okay.
okay?
Ditto.
Yours would not be subpoenaed,
Okay.
but it's free information that everyone has on the internet,
Okay.
okay? So, otherwise, you
Super.
know, you'll have to wait until we process the arrest.
Okay. Such a waste of money.
It's kind of a waste of time. All you have to do is
It is.
give us your ID.
I don't have to give you that because I have not reasonably committed a crime. There is no reasonable suspicion that I
No.
have committed a crime.
We ask for people's identification, just simply if they need to be checked on, simply if we are just
And
encountering
I
them.
don't wish to waive my Fourth Amendment right for that.
Okay. Okay, listen.
I'll be right there.
I'm just letting you know, I don't know who these people are that you're wrapped up with, but this is not gonna go well for them. I know they understand, they think they know things. Unfortunately, that's not how the law works, okay? So I don't know what kind of warped sense of reality that they're living in, but this obviously is not gonna pan out.
Sense of reality is that he's a several-time felon, and we were very scared leaving her alone in there with him.
Okay,
So,
I understand safety things, but honestly,
but that's the only reason Connie and I went in there with her
all right,
and
well,
stayed.
she did some things to me that qualified
She did.
arrest, which is she didn't identify herself, and she has to.
Right.
By law. I don't know what she thinks is going on with the laws, but she doesn't obviously understand them. And I don't know what she thinks makes you think about knowing the laws, but like I said, it's obviously a pretty big misunderstanding on her part. So I would just honestly be wary of hanging around with her or sticking to her agendas, okay? If you don't want to associate with them, fine. I don't.
We come up here because it's a town board meeting. Would
Yeah.
not be anywhere near him.
Okay. All right then.
He's a real scary fella. So.
All right. I understand.
And that's why we were worried about her. So, and we just want to wait. So,
Okay.
but thank you.
All right. Well, you have a better night, okay?
You too. Take care.